Welcome to a closer look at the Keelian wine cabinet, a stylish bar cabinet designed for your home. Measuring 29.53 by 13.39 by 36.14 inches, it features high-quality MDF with a rustic oak finish that adds a farmhouse charm. This cabinet includes a built-in power strip with 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, perfect for charging coffee makers and other devices. Enjoy a dynamic LED lighting system with 16 colors, 4 flashing modes, and adjustable brightness to set the perfect mood. Built with a sturdy metal frame and thick panels, it supports up to 200 pounds without wobbling. Assembly is simple with clear instructions, and the wood used is FSC certified for sustainability. Whether placed in your kitchen, dining room, or living room, this cabinet combines elegance with excellent storage functionality. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.